Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with UnlockBoot's official YouTube channel. In today's video, we have a tutorial for how to unlock the iPhone 13. So this method will work with any carrier of the iPhone 13 that you have. Again, all you want to do is just follow along and you'll easily be able to unlock your iPhone 13 so you can use it with any carrier in the world. Let's get right into it. So to begin the unlock process, it's very simple. All we need to do is get our IMEI number. We can get this one of two ways here. We can either open up the dialer app, type in *#06#, and then we would get our IMEI number. You can also check for your IMEI by going to Settings, General, About. Scroll all the way down and you will see your IMEI number there as well. Once you have this number somewhere safe, we can go ahead and move on to the next step in the process. And guys, the next step in the process will be to head to our website. The link will be down below to UnlockBoot.com. Once you're here, you are going to go to the iPhone Unlock section. And next we are going to click the service in which we're going to unlock. So for video purposes here, we'll go ahead and click Unlock Verizon iPhone. And we'll go ahead and put in that 15-digit IMEI number. Once this is here, go ahead and click Unlock Now, and we can go ahead and proceed to checkout here. And alright guys, once we receive our email from UnlockBoot letting us know that our order is complete, we can go ahead and finalize the unlock process. All we want to do is go ahead and remove the current SIM card that is in the phone. Next, we're going to insert in a different SIM card from the one that we previously took out. So it doesn't matter what carrier, as long as it is different from the previous SIM card, we will be good to go here. Once the SIM card is in, we can go ahead and verify that the unlock is completed by making a phone call or sending a text message. As long as we can send it here, we are all good to go. And alright guys, that is going to do it for this video here. Again, just a very quick and easy tutorial for how to unlock the iPhone 13 no matter what carrier you are locked to. Hopefully this video did help you guys. If it did, leave us a thumbs up, we'd greatly appreciate it. Signing off, this is Drake with UnlockBoot. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.